If your team is still juggling radios, WhatsApp, and paper checklists to run daily operations, you're not just wasting time. You're losing visibility on what's actually getting done. Hi, I'm Ariana from hoteltechreport.com, where we help hoteliers like you future-proof your operations by finding the best tech tools to run and grow your businesses. HotelKit is an all-in-one hotel operations platform used by over 4,000 hotels globally to manage internal communication, task execution, housekeeping, maintenance, and SOPs in one place. It sits at the center of daily operations, connecting front office, housekeeping, maintenance, and management, so information doesn't get lost in between shifts or departments. In this video, we'll be doing a deep dive into everything you need to know about HotelKit to help you figure out if it's the right fit for your hotel, including a live walkthrough of key features that stand out, our findings from surveying 600 plus users and industry experts, a behind-the-scenes look at how a 5-star hotel is speeding up daily housekeeping with HotelKit, and a clear verdict on whether it's the right fit for your property. Before we dive into the demo, it helps to understand how this actually fits into your stack. HotelKit works like a command center for daily operations. Instead of running communication in one place, tasks in another, and SOPs in a shared drive, everything just lives in one system. Your PMS feeds in room data. Teams execute through mobile checklists. Maintenance, guest requests, and internal communication all flow through the same platform. So instead of chasing updates across systems, your team is working from one shared source of truth. All right, so that's how it fits together at a system level. What actually matters is how this shows up in the day-to-day. This is where every shift starts. Instead of chasing updates across radios or group chats, everything is logged here. Guest issues, arrivals, operational notes. From an operator standpoint, this reduces missed information between shifts, which directly cuts service errors. Teams can comment, tag colleagues, and coordinate in real time. That removes a lot of back and forth and just speeds up decision-making during peak periods. Every SOP and training doc lives here and is searchable. That means faster onboarding and fewer mistakes. Staff can find answers without escalating. Staff can ask questions and get answers pulled from your SOPs instantly. This, of course, reduces training overhead and helps standardize execution across teams. Recurring workflows are automated and tracked. That creates accountability and eliminates missed tasks, especially across shifts. Room assignments sync with the PMS and are distributed in real time. Managers can balance workloads, and teams know exactly what to prioritize, leading to faster room turns. We'll come back to how this translates into ROI in just a minute. Staff get live task updates on their phones. That removes constant check-ins and speeds up room readiness during busy periods. Issues can be logged with photos and assigned instantly. That improves response time and prevents issues from slipping through. Guest requests and complaints are tracked and assigned in real time. This leads to faster response times and more consistent service delivery. Assets are tracked with full maintenance history. That reduces downtime and avoids out-of-order rooms that impact revenue. Maintenance tasks are scheduled automatically. This reduces emergency repairs and creates more predictable operations. HotelKit connects with your PMS and other systems, so data stays in sync. That cuts out manual updates and reduces operational friction. We'll also break down pricing later because that depends heavily on how many of these workflows you actually use. So here's what this looks like in the real world. The Mandala Hotel in Berlin is a 5-star property with 158 rooms. Strong team, high standards, but operations were still fragmented. Housekeeping relied on phones and manual coordination, and information often got lost. After implementing HotelKit, everything moved into one system: housekeeping, tasks, communication. Room assignments sync automatically between the PMS and staff phones. Repairs are logged instantly with photos. Managers get real-time visibility into what's happening. The result? Each room attendant saves about 1 hour per day, adding up to roughly 3,000 hours per year. That translates to 1 extra room cleaned per person per shift. And ROI came in at around 750% annually. As their rooms division manager put it, information no longer gets lost. Once something is entered, someone takes care of it without 5 extra steps. It's one thing to see how the product works, but there is nothing more valuable than hearing from real users across different types of hotels. That's why we surveyed 600 plus hoteliers and synthesized our findings to find out, what do hoteliers mention most frequently? What do industry experts and consultants have to say about the product? How does HotelKit stack up on HTR's 6 key decision factors? Hotel Tech Report's evaluation framework looks at product quality across these areas based on verified hotelier reviews and expert input. So, what do hoteliers mention most frequently? Usability stands out first. Teams consistently describe HotelKit as easy to adopt, even for non-technical staff. That's critical for real-world usage. Functionality is where it becomes core infrastructure. Hotels rely on it to manage communication, tasks, and daily coordination, reducing missed information and improving accountability. Value for money depends on scale. Larger properties tend to see strong ROI when using the full platform, while smaller hotels sometimes question cost if they only use part of it. Integrations are solid, but not perfect. When using HotelKit housekeeping, PMS connectivity is critical. And while workflows are strong, some users mention integration depth can vary. Support is a clear strength. Fast responses and strong onboarding consistently come up in reviews. The pattern is clear. HotelKit delivers the most impact in more complex operations where coordination across teams actually matters. So, does that mean it's right for you? If you're running a property where communication breaks down between departments or shifts, and you want one system to manage tasks, SOPs, housekeeping, and coordination, this is where HotelKit fits best. If you're a smaller property, a lightweight version of the system offers everything you need. Pricing typically falls between $300 and $500 per month, plus a one-time setup fee based on your size and complexity. The best next step is to map this against your own workflows. Where are things breaking down? If those gaps line up, you can request a tailored quote on Hotel Tech Report, compare options, and evaluate fit based on your operation, not just features. If you take one thing away from this, it's this. HotelKit brings your operations, communication, and workflows into one place, so things don't fall through the cracks. If that's a challenge in your property, head over to Hotel Tech Report to read verified reviews, check integrations, and request a quote tailored to your hotel. Thanks for watching.